Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for coming in. So this is the 2001 Volkswagen
Passat
1.8 turbo as a 1.8 liter as well. So today I decided to change the alternator on this one. So first thing I gotta do, I gotta disconnect the battery. That's the first safety. And then to make it easier and faster, drain the coolant fluid out. And then move this coolant hose completely off, and then this air hose out as well. To make it a lot easier is to remove this cooling fan over here. You don't have to remove it if you don't want to, but for me it's a lot easier because it's very easy to remove this fan. It only takes 1 volt, so it's down here. Let's do that. So safety glasses and gloves first. Okay, it's time with the clamp. Press, put it down just like that. Alright, after that, then come back on this side, and there is a clip over here. Just get for the screwdriver and play up just like that, and then this should come out. And then pull on it, and then wiggle it a little bit. That way it will come loose. Just like this. There you go. It come out. Now on the air hose, there's a clamp over here. You can use a 10mm socket or a flathead screwdriver. I'd rather use the socket to make it a lot easier and for that to strip. After that, and then pull out. We go as always. Same thing on the bottom right here. Now see how much space we got right now. Now only I had to do, I had to remove the cooling fan for me to make more room, a lot easier. Before removing the belt, make sure loosen this one up first. I mean the fan. That way it will be easier to loosen up. If not, it just keeps spinning. Even if you put this little pin over here like this, it's still not enough power. But like this, having some kind of hex key like this, and then with the belt, it'll be easier. Now just go back here with a 10mm hex tool, just like that. Now it's loose. Now let's move the belt. Here's a tensioner right here with a 17mm. Put it right there. Make sure it's firm, and then pull, just like that. Just like that. And then push this belt over here or pull it right here. Now the fan is out. Here you go. Put this on back here, that way I don't lose it. Alright. Now it'd be better to remove this plug in first over here, but in this case mine is very hard to come out, and I don't want to damage anything, so I'm going to take the alternator out and then turn it around so I can do it too. And then with this one over here too, there is a plastic cover over here. You can pry that one out and then loosen it up as well. I know in a previous clip I said this one takes 10mm, but I was confused. But this is 8mm here to take the fan off. And same thing on the bottom of the alternator as well. It takes 8mm right here, as you can see right there. That's the one over there. And on the top one, it takes 6mm right here. As you can see, somebody else try to take this one off with a plier. Don't let that one happen to you. Make sure you use the right tool on each thing you do. It's best to remove the dust cover over the top. That way you can see everything what you're doing from the top and bottom. Sorry guys, I might have to put you on time lapse since nobody helping me over here. So but I want to show you what I'm doing. Alright guys, the reason this didn't want to come out because I was doing it wrong. You have to push this one like all the way in and then pull this tab back over here, not push down. It's gonna pull it back like that way. Pull it or push it away from you like I am right now, like this, in that way it will push it and pull at the same time and then pull it out that way. It's kind of a little bit headache, but I got mine done. Old one's out and new one right here. Let's check it out and match if it's the same. Okay, here they are. It matched mine. It's 90 amp and same thing with this one, but don't show on this label right now. Here is the original part. The same thing over there and same thing right here with that. And like I said, with that one, it match. The only difference is this is different, and this is like that, and that's flat. But this over here, it takes 30mm for the cable. Okay, time to put the new one in. Let's do this. Time lapse again. Sorry guys that my camera, I screw up with it 3 times and I missed some of the important part, so I want to go back through and explain it to you. This plug in like this with the blue wire. I want you can see it right there. You plug down in, and this what the cable before you put this alternator in there, because if not, there's a rod over here will not go in because of that rod, it's behind it. And the bottom bolt, you put it in first before you put this in, because you have to wiggle it and then it goes in. If not, it's going to be hard. And then before you put this belt back on here, make sure you put the fan back on. But before that, make sure you put some kind of pin through here before you put the belt on, because it's hard to adjust it and hard to put it in there. But you put that something to put in, a pin in there first to lock the fans going around. It'd be a lot easier, and then that way you can torque it down the fan completely to the spec supposed to be. Okay, that's it. Now before you start in your car, make sure your battery it should be above 12. Right there, it's 12. So that's where it should be. And then when you start the car, make sure it's above 13. If it's above 13, that means it's working good, it's charging your battery, the alternator is working. But if it's below 12, that means your alternator it's bad and something else, or could be battery. But in this time, I know the alternator is acting different. It was running low and it was running high. So in this case, but let's check it out. Okay, now the car is running like a baby. Let's see what the battery says. Right there, it's above 13. So that's very good. It's working. It's not going down, it's staying right there. That's good. That's very good. I'm happy for this. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and share like my video. Until then, bye for now. Ciao.